Hey everyone, here's a question from Figure It Out. The chapter is The Other Side of the Zero. This is based on the new syllabus Ganita Prakash of class 6 and I'm doing 10th chapter. This is first Figure It Out and here's a question. You start from floor plus 2 and press minus 3 in the left. Where will you reach? Write an expression for this movement. So if you see the textbook, you have a small activity where they have explained about the number of floors and how you mark it. So that was about the Bella's building of fun. So there are different floors with a different name. You can see that welcome hall and food court, art center, books, ice cream. But there's one more thing which is below the ground. They had also floors below the ground which were toys, video games, cinema. We have marked the welcome hall because this was a starting center, that's the entrance, so we'll mark this as 0, right? And then we have a food court which is just above the ground floor or the welcome hall, so we'll mark it as +1. We can also observe here that the numbers which are above are marked as plus, which are positive numbers, and the number of floor, the floor number is the number here, like art center is the second floor, so it will be +2. Then we have books, it will be +3. Similarly, we have a floors below the ground like a toys, it is just below the ground. So this is the ground and it is below that. So we will mark it as -1. So as we go down, we mark it with negative sign. So these numbers are negative numbers. And then we have a video games which is -2 because it is second floor below the ground. And then we have a cinema which is -3. So this is just for understanding how we are marking each floor. Now here the question is, you start from floor +2. So where is our floor +2? It is here, which is art center. This is our starting point. Let's mark it with star. And then you press -3. So this is your movement. Your starting point is +2 and your movement is -3. This means you have to go 3 floors down. So 1, 2, 3. Where did you reach? You reach here at toys. So the expression will be, the starting point is +2 and your movement is -3. So your expression will be +2 and to that you have to add -3. And where did you reach? You reach here at toys, which is -1. So answer will be -1. You will reach the floor -1, which is toys shop. That's it. So to do this, you have to understand this activity and how it is marked. You can also use a number line. If you don't have a picture, that's fine. You can also use a number line and you can mark the 0 as your ground floor and all the floors above it will be with plus sign and all the floors below it will be with negative sign. I hope this question is clear. If you have any question or doubts, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.